So today we're going to take a quick look at the EA browser plugin. So you can see here I've installed the browser plugin. It's available on the Google Chrome store, which means you can download it onto Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Once it's downloaded, it will appear as a pop-up in the side window, and it's available on any web page. What this gives you is an EA agent to help you on any web page. Depending on what that task might be, there are a number of different use cases you could think to use it. The first, I'm going to take this very simple web form here, and I'm just going to ask the agent to fill in this form for me. And what this is going to do is take information from my workspaces on my EA account and use that information to fill out the form. The agent in just a second is going to ask for permission to control the screen so it can work through the form. And as it does this, this will mean that if there are any conditional questions that only appear after you've asked the previous question, it can then see those questions and answer those questions. It can also move page by page. So if you've got a multiple page form, it will move through page 1 and then on to page 2 as it works through all of the questions. Once it works through these questions, if there are any that it doesn't know how to answer, it will ask me in the chat on the side here, but I could move off and go on and complete any other work that I wanted to. So here we go, it's just asked me what help I'd like. So we're going to just ask for a technical issue, and it's just going to fill out all of that information for me. And I could then send that off to the company that I am interacting with. Once it's finished, screen control returns to me and it's given me a summary here. Other things you could use this for are, for example, asking the agent to go to another platform to log in and to download an invoice for you. It will just ask you to input your login details into the login screen, and then it will take back control and go through that platform and get that information for you. There are a few other features that come with the browser plugin. So EA is obviously a great way to search for information. When you have the browser plugin installed, it does mean that you can set it as your home screen, and you've got this search here. So I could just ask for the weather in London today, and it will do a very quick search and give me the weather in London today. I could also, for example, just type that in that top bar up here, and it will again do an EA search for me. So all of this information can then be searched from just the internet using just the search functionality, or also using agent functionality, so using the information in my workspace as well. So you don't even need to log in, you've got all of that EA power from every page on your desktop.